what I want to show you is our newest PixelDrive product, which is a precision electric screwdriver. But here, I've got 30 bits from Allens to stars to screwdrivers, and I pull out my precision screwdriver with an OLED display and adjustable torque settings in order to obviously control the torque depending on if you're using it for a door lock or more of a precision screwdriver and you need sensitive torque, okay? And then all I do is pull out one of these bits from my kit, and I've got a light, and I have adjustable speed settings and torque settings off of the OLED display. And my carry kit, which I think is pretty cool, actually stores all of the bits. So you got 30 bits that are all included as a kit, and they all fit together. Oh, sorry, that goes in. Obviously that one comes out, and the lid goes on. We make cool tools.